How to use PayPal for quick money transfers. PayPal allows you to send and receive money worldwide instantly or within minutes. Firstly, you will need a PayPal account. If you haven't already, then create your account, otherwise log in. Then you will need to link a payment mode. You can use bank account, debit, credit card, or PayPal balance. If you want to send and receive large amount, then you can enter your bank account. With debit and credit card, the transaction could be instant but may have fees. PayPal balance is optional but for instant transfers. Then you need to send or request money. There you will need to enter your recipient's email or phone number linked to PayPal. Then enter the amount and choose the payment type. There are two payment types, friends and family and goods and services. In friends and family, there's usually no fee if using bank or PayPal balance. Goods and services is used for business. A 2.9% of fees can apply per transaction. Now send your money and click on done. So that's all for today. Thank you.